Hey there everyone! So it's been 4 years since I last posted my workstation setup, and a lot of things happened from this setup to this, and finally when I moved out from my parents' house and lived in a loft type apartment. And now finally that we are now in our own home together with my partner, we made sure that we have our own home office.
We wanted to have a clear glasses exterior so we can still have natural lights coming through to save electricity during mornings and middays. So I have a new gaming PC that's a gift from my partner, so I always dream to have this white PC and so far I'm loving it. So here's my new keyboard, a modded RK61. So I primarily use this when I'm working on my PC. Then my condenser mic is Fifine K688. My mouse is Logi MX Anywhere 3S and I use this both for PC and Mac. So here I have two monitors. So my main is a 4K Retina display LG that's been with me for I think 3 years now. So far it's still in good performance, and my extended monitor is BenQ that's on vertical position. Behind our desk setup is our collection sitting on our shelves and our black consoles. So here we have the lamps, the books, and all of our favorite frames and puzzles, and also the keyboards. This is one of our favorite here in our office, the black console, because we can keep our things here and be organized. One of the coolest spot here in our office is our mini balcony so we can breathe some fresh air. This one is our Ghibli inspired spot so we can think, relax, or maybe sleep. And I think nothing beats this area, which highlights our 4-in-1 gaming table.
So now that you've seen our home office in our, of course, house, so it's time to work. So see you in the next one. Bye.